Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to add a border to image in GIMP. So first we need to open an image that we want to use. So I go to File and then I go to Open. I select here this one image and I click Open button. Then I need to click right mouse button on the image and I need to click here Add Alpha Channel. Now we need to go to Select and choose here All. It will let us to select everything. Alternatively, you can use shortcut from your keyboard Ctrl A, but I will click here and everything will be selected, and we need to go to Select tab again, and here we need to select border. And here we need to type border selection by value. It is set on pixels, so I will type here maybe 20 pixels. You can select here border style. On default it is set to smooth, but you can select here different options if you want. I need to click OK button. And how you see, border has been successfully created here, but now we need to create a new layer to change color of this border. So I go to layer, I go to new layer, I click OK button. Now I go to bucket fill tool, and for example I will change color of this foreground color to white. So I will select here white and I click on the border. And how you see, we have successfully added border to image in GIMP. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.